Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to divide by y to the power of 3 for the both sides. Now we have 1 over y squared and dy over y to the power of 3 dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. Now I will put about v equal to 1 over y squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, because we don't have the negative in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one I will change by v. This one I will change by negative dv over dx. And we have like this. Next, we simplify negative for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we have v and dv over dx. That is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integral. And we see that 1 over s with the positive side. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of ln s. And this one we have s. That means we multiply both sides by s. And this one we have number 1. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vx. Now I need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus lnx And later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. This one, we have 1 over s, and that's why we have the s over s. dv, that is about s ds. The integral of this one, we have v over s squared over 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, and we have the integral of s ds. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.